If you are looking for a picture-perfect lot that gives you an abundance of nature and a secluded Northwoods feel, this Tomahawk River parcel is close to town and ready to build on. Over 3 acres of gentle rolling terrain and 200 of river frontage with beautiful views in all directions. This portion of the river has a nice gentle flow, and is a well-known route by canoe and kayak for anyone looking to enjoy the tranquility it offers. A good mixture of aspen and pines gives you the privacy you are looking for, and at the river's edge you will find a bit of alder and birch mixed throughout. There is ample elbow room side to side with the building site a fair distance from the road if you choose, even leaving room to build a second storage garage if desired. Located on a rustic road, only 5 miles from the high school, dining and shopping, the location is convenient for both a vacationer's getaway or as a year-round residence. Build now, or hold on to it for future use.